Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 BMW X3. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It includes leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, front dual-zone air conditioning, a power rear cargo door, and seat memory. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.